Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix there is a billing problem with a previous purchase. So guys, if you're also facing this problem here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings in your device, and then you have to open your profile, and then you have to scroll it below and tap on payment and shipping. And wait here for some seconds, and you have to simply remove your payment method from your device for one time from here. So guys, do this, and after this go back, and now you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and restart your device for one time as well. So as for that, press the release volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this sign in your Apple ID again, and then you have to add your payment and method again in your device. So guys, simply tap on payment and shipping. After inserting all the details in the payment method, simply save this information in your device and then go back, and now you have to go to subscriptions and make sure that there is no unpaid subscription on your Apple ID as well. So guys, if there is any unpaid subscription, you have to simply pay for this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Apple support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.